In this video, I will show you how to get the Trading 212 card. So in order to do this, what you want to do is just open up Trading 212. So for me right here in Trading 212 Invest, you then in the bottom want to click on the fourth option, which is the card. And there you will see this, so the Trading 212 card, 0.5% cashback, 2.7% APY on your euro, 13 major currencies. So if you want to get it, just click on get your card now. Then here you can choose a virtual card, physical card, or a single use card. So if you want to have the physical one, just select physical. For example, I'll just go with virtual. Then you can select what it looks like if you select virtual and then just continue. Now here you can go and read this, and if you agree, click I confirm. Then you can add it to your Apple Wallet. And now you can move cash to your spending pot, which you can then spend using your Trading 212 card. So you can just click move cash, and then you can move some cash, for example 5 euros, and then it says cash moved successfully, and you will now see that I have my card and I have a spending pot right there. So that's how to get the Trading 212 card. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.